Good evening, everyone. Welcome to 4x4 Knuckle Busters. This is Brett. In today's video, we are going to address some of the things that are wrong and need to be corrected with Project MMJ. And we're also going to correct some of those today. We'll also be talking about what are the plans of what to get rid of, including some of the stuff that we'll be getting rid of today. Okay, well, we're going to start out the video by talking some of the things that, again, I feel is wrong, like a hokey wiring kill switch, a air conditioning unit with a hokey knob for a car that has no doors or top on. Don't feel the need for air conditioner, or in that case a heater. We remove the speaker boxes and the center console. Another thing that we will be getting rid of, going along with our theme, will be the full roll cage. If anybody out there has a YJ, and I believe TJ it will fit standard, go ahead and contact me. If you can come take it out and take it, you can have it. Free of charge. It is a solid belt roll cage. 6-point, good for a rock crawler project. Another thing that we will be addressing is we will be removing the transmission, because again, like I said in one of the other videos, it is not a factory Jeep transmission. I don't actually know what it is out of. We're going to be moving this stupid little shift boot ring, which gets in the way of the 4x4 shifter. And then we will also be getting rid of the stupid plastic floor mats. It's bed linered, so I don't know why you would need floor mats. We'll be getting rid of the little things like the stickers too. This aluminum piece, which I don't even know why they put it on, because they don't have a top. They said they never did have a top. It is just in a way, in my feeling. We're also going to be addressing the fan shroud that is loose. This ammo can will be removed, but don't worry, we will be putting ammo cans back, just not these. Matter of fact, what is even in here? That's goodies. Got a jack mate for a high lift jack. I guess they had a high lift jack because they have the mounts in the back. So whoever takes the roll cage can have this too. We will be addressing the battery tie down because that's just horrible. Also, this wiring for the stereo system they had. We'll be ripping all that out. And that's where they hooked up the kill switch. Well, we will be fixing that. It does have a valve cover leak and an oil pan leak. Other than that, little minor things, nothing really that majorly wrong with it. Like I said, it did pass smog with no problem. We will be getting rid of the fender flares too. We're going to keep the front bumper and the back bumper, but we will be getting rid of these tow hooks for being towed behind an RV. We will be getting rid of the lug nuts that don't have a key to. And also we will be getting rid of these homemade rocker protections. A little bit at a time. We will remove the license plate and do a relocation bracket. We will be keeping the awesome bottle opener. The Wrangler signs will be removed for the paint job. And also we are getting rid of the pretty nice seats. If anybody wants them, I'll make them real cheap, just let me know. The dash will also be gone. I am going to do something a little bit different, but right now I'm not going to tell you what it's going to be. I do promise you, you will like it. Other than that, not much as far as the drivetrain is going to change. Now when this engine gives out, it will be replaced with something else for another video. I am not going to put doors back on. Going along with the military theme, it is going to go towards the earlier Jeeps, which did not have doors or top or a roll cage. Hence the getting rid of the roll cage. Other than that, that's gonna pretty much be it of what we're gonna get rid of and gonna fix. No antenna, that will be deleted. So let's start by removing that shift boot ring. And of course it's a double ring. Well, I'm gonna have to get a different bit for that. Okay, that was easy enough. Yes, it looks silky, but we will be fixing that when we put the new transmission in. We are going to get a new plate, new shifter, new everything, so it looks back to factory. Second thing is these rematch. Yes, I am going to start with the easy stuff first, because after all, it's easy. Why not? Next thing we're going to remove is this piece of 2x4. See? Told you. Easy. Fun stuff. Not really busting knuckles, but hey, it's the start to a new project. I know most of you out there can relate. You all want to do the easy stuff first. Don't really want to get into the hard stuff right away. Okay, so this wiring. Yep. Yeah, we're gonna get rid of that next. Come over here, grab some tools. Some wire cutting tools. There we go. So we're gonna cut right here so we can pull the wires through. And then we're also gonna cut right here so we can reattach them. Fun stuff. The next thing we're gonna do is pull the wires through. No more kill switch. And just like that, the kill switch is gone. Again, I say to you, not really busting any knuckles, but hey, it's the start. Gotta do the small stuff before you do the big stuff, right? Okay, so let's disconnect the battery. Let's get these other wires out of here. Sorry, it's a little hard doing this with one hand, but bear with me. So, disconnect the negative, put it where it's not going to touch anything, and then the positive. Let's be positive here. Little battery joke. Okay. Now that electrical system for the old radio is gone. But we are leaving the battery disconnected for right now until we hook up that ignition wire again. Okay, now we can go and cut all of this with no problem. Yes, I'm going to cut it. I got plenty of wire. I don't worry about saving anything. Shove it back through. Now we're going to pull it out right here. And there you go. Now we just need to remove this. Looks like maybe an 7 or 8 millimeter. What do you think, boys and gals? That looks like a 7 or 8 millimeter, right? This ought to be fun. So I was wrong. There's also a positive cable going to the air conditioning system. Well, since we're not going to have any air conditioning system, we don't need that, do we? And just like that. Now we need to take out this wiring, which goes to that switch. Need the drill for that. Let's get the drill. There we go. Let's see where to put you guys. It's gonna be hard. Yes, I know. I need to get a tripod for my phone and make things a lot easier and a lot more content. Soon to come. Soon to come.